Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how I make my baby's first Christmas ornaments here. Um, so I've got my beads already picked out and laid out how I'm going to, how I want them arranged. This little board is really handy for keeping your beads still. I will list this into the description where I got it, along with all of my supplies. So like I said, I've already got my beads laid out here. I use a 10-inch wire here. These are also what I use for my wristlets. And a pair of soft grip pliers to hold on to this wire as I'm putting my beads on. Also going to need these little beads here are what's going to hang in the middle. So I've got my little snowflake bead and my jingle bell. I hang that off of an eye hook. This is a 2-inch long or eye pin, not an eye hook, an eye pin. I've got a jump ring here. I'm not sure what size this is. I think it's 6mm. And then I've got my 2023 charm here. And then this here is just, this is for the hanger. It is a 1mm just nylon cord that I have. I think it's about 8 inches, I think. 6 to 8 inches. I've got some needle nose pliers here. They're going to help wrap the eye pin around. And then some little nippers, some flush cutters. Okay, so let's get started here. Hopefully I'm in frame. My little iPad that I have usually sitting to the side connected to my phone so I can see if I'm in frame or not is not working. So hopefully all this works out. Okay, so I am going to start with the white. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to work my way around. I found that makes the top and the bottom lettering pretty much even. So to work one of these wires here, your little connector here slides, you want that, I don't know, see, oh, I wish my thing was working. You've got one threaded side and then the other side there. You want this to come down over. See, that'll slip down over this side. That's also where your opening is that you're going to screw this together. So this side, this screw side, is where you want to thread your beads on. I sure hope all that makes sense. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to start with my white here and work up and around. So I'm just going to start. And these are, I mean, you're going to have to push these on. They can be a pain. These round beads here are 15mm. I've got these little lentil beads are 12mm. I'm not sure. I think the letters are 12mm too. But yeah, you're just going to want to grip this really hard. That's why I'm using a soft pair of pliers so that I don't ruin my wire. And just push your beads on there. Okay, so my letters here, these ones on the top, I'm going to thread upside down. because, let me get these all on here and I'll show you. Okay, because when I put this together, see, it's going to go like this. Well, here, let me just screw it together. So it's going to screw together like this. Okay, so here's my starting point over here. These are actually going to be over here like this. And now this is readable. It's not upside down or backwards. Speaking of which, these are only one-sided like this, because if you flip this around, the letters are backwards. So just keep that in mind too. Okay, so we're going to continue on. And when I get to my snowman, he's going to go on upside down. I'll put him on upside down because then when, again, I get it all together, he's going to be right side up. Okay, so it's kind of, you need to keep all that in mind, like where you have your beads, especially the focals, if you use focals, or if you use a printed design that has like an upside, top and bottom side. The first half of your like wristlet, you want to put them on backwards or upside down. And then the second half of your wristlet, you just put them on normal, right side up. So like my letters down here, my Christmas, these are going to go on right side up. Okay. I sure hope all that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, leave me a comment. Just going to keep putting all these on. These are going to be a snug fit. So see, I need to push these all down. I'm pushing them all down so that I've got room to get all of the beads that I want on here. One more. Stretch that down there. Slide that on. Now while I'm holding this, I'm going to go ahead and put it together. Just screw that on there. Okay, kind of pull I get it started on there, and then I try to pull my beads apart there. I mean, you're going to have some elbow grease here, some muscles, and I can finish twisting that together till it's all together. And then I'm going to work these white beads back over the top of my opening there, just like that, kind of even them out. Okay, and There we go. Okay, so now I'll move this out of the way. I'm going to put the little hangy on there. Okay, so I've got my eye pin here. Oh, I need my other little pliers. Okay, so I'm going to take my jump ring, pry it open. Oh, I hope I'm in focus, or I'm in screen at least. Okay, I'm going to pry that open. I'm going to slip my bell on there, and then my eye pin on there. Close that up. Okay. And now I'm going to take my bead, slip it on there. Okay, I go in between the S and this snowflake lintel here. So I am going to kind of just eyeball this here, like how far I want it to hang down. Let me see if I'm in here. Yep. Okay. So yeah, so I'm just going to eyeball this here, and when I've got it where I want it, I'm going to wedge it in there and then twist it around that wire. Okay, so I twisted it around there, you can kind of see there. And loop it around there. Okay, take my cutters and, without cutting the beads, get as close as I can in there and nip that. Cover it so it doesn't shoot everywhere. Okay, and then we're going to just pinch it down there. Pinch it, I don't know, pinch it closed. Or at least try to. There we go. Okay. Adjust it if we need to. There we go. Okay, now for our... Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot my 2023. Okay. Well, let's see here. So, you want to put your bell, your eye pin, and your charm on here before closing this little jump ring up. Were y'all yelling at me? Hey, you forgot that. See if I can get that slipped on there without messing anything up. Oh, goodness. Okay, there we go. Crisis averted. Well, crap. Put it on backward, you guys. Goodness gracious. What am I? Well, how did it get around? Okay. Here we go. We're just gonna take it off. Off. Ah. Oh, can y'all hear that? The sirens are coming. Okay. And we're gonna slip that on there. Close that up. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna put our little hanging on there. So now I go between on the other side of the S and between that lintel, just kind of shimmy it in between there. I'm gonna get it even there. And usually, I'm gonna get my thing back over here to measure. Just tie it off. I usually leave about, I don't know, between 2 1/4, 2 1/2 inch little loop there to be able to hang it on the tree. Just tie a little knot and then cut that off. I'm gonna burn my end there, and there we go. How cute is that? Our baby first Christmas ornament. These are ornaments. They're to hang on the tree. They are not toys. Do not give this to your little one to chew on or anything like that. Okay? But yeah, that's it for this. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. I will have everything listed in the description below, so be sure to check that out. If you want some more ideas, I've got several more of these up on my website. That'll be in the description as well. But yeah, that's it for this one. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And until next time, see ya.